Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm going to unbox this one right here. This one is a 25 feet. It's like a non-metallic conduit for my EV charging, home charging level 2 installation. And this one is the conduit 3/4 inch clamps to clamp down the conduit. So I purchased this through Home Depot. By the way, this video is not sponsored by any of this company. So let's go ahead and open this up and check them out. I'm not sure why they sent it with the big box. It's kind of wasteful. See, just fire up this. They should use the bubble envelope. So they don't come with any of the screws, so this one comes with the connectors. Nice. So right here is the model, internet number, and item description. On the bottom here is the conduit. Oh, that's the same one. Never mind. So yeah, hopefully this is easy to cut. It's kind of hard. So they come with two of each connectors. So I gotta loosen this nut and push in, and then screw this on, the cap on, make a tight fit, so it's not gonna go anywhere. See? So this is pretty good. In case you need some of this to install it outdoor, but mainly I'm doing it indoor, so. So unfortunately, I had to take out the other two clamps then. I'm just gonna use this to screw onto the drywall. Perfect fit. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.